So I have a little problem. It's not a problem. I have something I don't know how to take down, so I'm gonna call Mike in. Okay, so demo day 2, I'm going to tackle the bedroom area and do a lot of the same stuff I did yesterday. Take down the padding around the slide, take down the, I was going to take down the window coverings, but I'm realizing there isn't any window coverings. Pull down this ugly mirror and take down some of the Velcro and all that stuff that's on the walls. And we'll see what else I come up with. Today I'm embracing my inner Elise Myers, frizzy hair, no makeup, keeping it real because, let's be real, I'm not put together every day, and if we wait for that, I'll never film. So, also food stains on my shirt, so here we go. I'm demoing. Why do I have to look nice? Here we go. So I have a little problem. It's not a problem. I have something I don't know how to take down, so I'm gonna call Mike in. Here is the issue. This mirror, I think it's on with screws, but if you see these little caps, there's like caps over, I think, where the screws are. And I can't figure out how to get them out, so it's time to call in the reinforcements.
Alright, Miranda wasn't sure how to get these little nutties off. I don't know how we're going to get that one out, but you're supposed to be able to just needle nose, this one needle nose on, pop them off. Except they put some kind of weirdness in there. I think this is nailed on.
The good news is I tried this exact thing, so I did know what I was doing.
Yeah, they pushed them in too far.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So then I tried to pry the mirror, but I'm pretty sure the mirror is in with screws.
Yes.
So prying the mirror, not gonna be a good idea.
We have to drill it out.
So
what's behind this freaking other stuff, but this foamy stuff, like it's like caulk or something. There's glue. Where's a drill?
behind you here.
Supposed to see if there's a screw back there. There's a screw back there. Good. Just need to drill out. I don't think we'll get the other drill though.
you drill holes into the little stubbies
Sometimes.
in order to get them out. Then you can get the screws out. You shut off the camera.
Frame with 37,000 screws in it.
It doesn't even have the mirror inside.
You want to take this beautiful door down?
I did, but I didn't know how. I just looked.
This brings her so much joy today. And there it goes. Beautiful.
Nasty, dirty, dusty fabric item.
Are you upset that you had to take the door out?
So upset.
I can tell.
Yeah, maybe if it's gonna give me this much trouble to go back together.
We should just take the track off now. Just a little screw right there.
All right.
Just open it all the way.
I don't like doing overhead things. This, my arms get tired.
There you go. You weren't using your left hand. See, look at that.
Oh,
There's
one
a-
more.
There you go. Good job.
Great. And we still have a carpeted post here.
Miranda did all the demo today.
Oh, I bet you got nailed.
It's just going to be a simple pry bar, probably. Be gentle.
I like my
'cause-
pry bars.
Careful. Start from the edge, not the middle.
Nope. I think it might be screws.
Let me see.
Yep, it's screws.
Well, it's already out now. Yeah, you didn't see the screw hole right there?
I know, I thought it was
Here,
from the
take this.
other one.
Yeah, that screw broke off.
There we go. Actually, it looks so much better. It's so weird. It's literally just a piece, but I feel like it opens up the space. It's funny.
All right. I guess we should clean your mess up that you made.
Nah,
Definitely.
leave it for tomorrow.
What have I said about a clean workspace?
Well, I like getting nails in my shoes.
Clean workspace is a safe workplace.